There are various assets that have been making people wealthy, particularly in recent years. Here are 8 key ones. There are various assets that have been making people wealthy, particularly in recent years. Here are 8 key ones. 1. Stocks and equities. Description: stocks represent ownership in a company. Over time, stocks have historically provided high returns, making them a popular choice for wealth building. Wealth creation: long-term investments in well-performing companies can yield significant returns through capital appreciation and dividends. 2. Real estate. Description: real estate includes residential, commercial, and rental properties. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. Wealth creation: investors make money through property value appreciation, rental income, and tax advantages. 3. Cryptocurrencies. Description: digital or virtual currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen explosive growth. Wealth creation: early adopters of cryptocurrencies have seen massive returns as prices have surged, though it remains highly volatile. 4. Private equity and venture capital. Description: investments in private companies, often startups, before they go public or are acquired. Wealth creation: successful investments in early-stage companies can lead to substantial profits when these companies grow or are acquired. 5. Commodities: gold, silver, oil, etc. Description: physical goods like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products that can be bought and sold. Wealth creation: commodities often act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, with the potential for significant price appreciation. 6. Intellectual property, IP. Description: IP includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets that have value. Wealth creation: creators of valuable IP can generate ongoing revenue through licensing, royalties, or sales. 7. Businesses. Description: owning or investing in businesses can be a major source of wealth. Wealth creation: business owners benefit from profits, capital appreciation, and the potential sale of the business at a high value. 8. Collectibles, art, antiques, rare items. Description: tangible assets that are collected for their rarity and aesthetic value, such as fine art, antiques, rare coins, and luxury goods. Wealth creation: collectibles can appreciate significantly over time, especially if they are rare or have historical significance. These assets can be part of a diversified investment strategy, helping individuals grow and preserve wealth. However, each comes with its own set of risks, and success often requires careful research, planning, and sometimes a bit of luck. Here are additional assets that have been making people rich. 9. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Description: pooled investment vehicles that allow investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Wealth creation: they offer a way to gain broad exposure to markets with less risk than individual stocks, often generating solid returns over time. 10. Bonds. Description: debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations to raise capital. Wealth creation: bonds provide regular interest payments and are often considered safer than stocks, with potential for capital appreciation if bought at a discount. 11. Peer-to-peer lending. Description: online platforms that allow individuals to lend money directly to borrowers, bypassing traditional financial institutions. Wealth creation: lenders can earn higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, though the risk is also higher. 12. Precious metals and jewelry. Description: investments in gold, silver, platinum, and high-value jewelry. Wealth creation: these assets often retain or increase their value over time, especially in periods of economic uncertainty or inflation. 13. Luxury goods, watches, cars, wines. Description: high-end items that can appreciate in value due to their brand, craftsmanship, and rarity. Wealth creation: collectors and investors in luxury goods can see significant returns, especially for items with historical or brand value. 14. Royalties and licensing. Description: income streams from intellectual property, including music, books, patents, and trademarks. Wealth creation royalties provide ongoing income from the use of IP, often generating passive income over long periods. 15. Options and derivatives. Description: financial instruments that derive their value from underlying assets, such as stocks or bonds. Wealth creation: skilled traders can make significant profits through strategic use of options, futures, and other derivatives, though these can be very risky. 16. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Description: companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. Wealth creation: REITs provide investors with a way to earn income from real estate without having to own or manage properties directly, offering dividends and potential capital gains. 17. Agriculture and farmland. Description: investments in land used for farming or agricultural production. Wealth creation: farmland can appreciate over time, and agricultural produce can provide steady income, especially as global food demand rises. 18. Intangible assets, brand value, goodwill. Description: non-physical assets like brand value, customer loyalty, and company reputation. Wealth creation: companies with strong intangible assets can command higher valuations, and acquiring such assets can lead to substantial financial growth. 19. Art and cultural investments. Description: investments in fine art, cultural artifacts, or even digital art like NFTs. Wealth creation: these assets can appreciate significantly, particularly if they become highly sought after or if trends shift in their favor. 20. Foreign currencies, forex trading. Description: trading of currencies in the foreign exchange market. Wealth creation: forex trading can be highly profitable for those who understand global market dynamics, although it comes with significant risk. These additional assets provide even more avenues for wealth creation, each with unique benefits and risks. A balanced portfolio often includes a mix of these assets to mitigate risk and optimize returns.